Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Banner ads. How do you build your list for free? This is how the big gurus build their list from scratch to 200,000 emails with very little cost. So what is a banner? These are banners, okay? You can make them yourself, which I'll show you a bit later on. So the ones that I've got, you can have for free when you join my Builderall team. This is all part of the Builderall training. I got invited to be an honorary member of Shelley Turner's Builderall team, Team Awesome, and these are the free gifts inside. She's done 3 30-day email challenges, which I've actually rehashed and made better. So you can get access to those. But so if you want, so what is a banner ad? Let me just show you what a banner ad is and how you have to set it up. So inside the training, there are at least 20, if not more, traffic boosters. So what you have to do is you have to log in and then you start your free ads. You can serve sites or view ads for credits. So to get more banner ads, you just click on this. So this is very easy to do, and then you can get free banners. Okay, so you serve sites and you view ads, and if you make one of these, right, people click on yours and you might get a lead or make a sale. So all you have to do is let's have a look. Edit one. So you put your banner name, your banner URL, and your target URL. So if you're using one of these that's already done, for example, let's go for the banners and let's just do this one. Right click, copy image address. Whoops. Copy image address. So that's that. So we're going to put Builderall in. And then you go and get your target URL from Builderall, which I'll do a bit later. So how do you make them up for a product that you haven't got a banner for? I'll do that in the next video. So watch this space. If you want all this training, so all these traffic boosters, there's 14 there that you don't have to buy into, and you get unlimited traffic, no fees. You don't have to upgrade, because our team own these companies. Okay, all the rest, so there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, a lot. All the rest, you can join as many or as little of these as you like, but the more banner ads you get out there, the quicker you will get your list grown, because Shelley Turner can send out 2,000 emails. No, she can send one email and get $2,000. So this is step 1, banner ads. If you want to join Builderall for free, 14 days, there's a link below. If you want to join my team, or if you want me to show you the new stuff that's happening inside Builderall that's coming out soon, May the 15th, it's exciting. Hit me up on Facebook, let me show you what's inside, because it's just getting better and better. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, share this with your friends, because this is the #1 free way to build your list. Bye, guys. And